Okay, so this is part 2 of the video. We're just going to pick up right where we left off. So we just finished finding all the side lengths, and now we're going to get ready to add them up to find the perimeter. So we had 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5. So let me just make sure that's all the sides. So 6 plus 2, we figured out this one was 3, plus another 3, and then another 3 right here, and then plus 5. Yep, so that's all of them. So 6 plus 2 is going to give me 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. I'm going to write that down here. So 8. Oh, let me switch pins. So we have 8. Ooh, let me redo that. Plus, let's do the 3 plus 3, that's 6. And then plus 3 plus 5 is 8. And so then we have 8 plus 6 plus 8. So 8 plus 6, that's going to give us 14. Oh, messed up the 8 again. And then all we have to do is add 14 and 8, which gives us 22. So it's going to be 22 feet. And remember, it's perimeter, so that we don't put the squared. So just 22 feet. Okay, so I'm about to erase this so we can do area. So make sure you copy all of this down, please. Okay, moving on to area. So I'm just going to put the side links back up that we had found. So remember, we found that this one was 3, and then we saw that this one over here was 5, because we looked at this side right here is 3, and then this up here was 2, so then 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so that's where we were. So again, they kind of already have it split for us, so we're going to do these two rectangles right here. So I'm going to start, well, this one's actually a square, but I'm going to start here at the square, so right here. So remember, area of squares and rectangles, it's the same, it's just base times height. So for this one right here, base is 3. And then remember, parentheses mean multiplication. And the height right there is 3. And then 3 times 3 is just going to give us 9 feet. And remember, it is squared. So 9 feet squared for this, the small square. And now moving to the rectangle. So again, its area is equal to base times height. So here's our base. Actually, let me do it in red. So here's the base. And remember, with rectangles, opposite sides are the same, right? So these two are equal. And we know that this one's 6, so that means that this side down here is also 6. So our base is 6. And then height is right here, and it is 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. And then we do our feet squared. Okay, but remember, you're not done. We found the two areas of the two shapes by themselves, but now we need to add them. So we need to take the 9 and add it to the 12. So I'm going to do that over here. So 9 plus 12, and that's just going to give us 21 feet squared. And that is your final answer. Okay, so make sure you have all this copied down, and then you guys can continue to work on the rest of the problems. And if you have any questions, just let me know.